get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Welcome viewers, welcome back to another video. After a long time, I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you top 3 MIUI 11 themes, which is fully supported MIUI 11, and you can use it officially. Don't need any third-party themes. It's not a third-party theme, it's official theme. You can search it on theme store. I'll provide the name of those themes in description. You guys can check it out. And the first theme, you can see I have already applied on my device, Redmi 7. So you can see the colorful icons and the wallpapers, and I'm using the app drawer, so you can see that cool icons. And let me show you the status bar, and you can see the battery icon and the network bar. Everything has changed perfectly, no issues on it. And you can see the status bar, which is really very good and impressive. You have no problem on it. So let me show you the setting first. You will get a dark side here, everything. And the dialer. And the interesting thing is that you will get here the navigation button, which has already changed perfectly, and like a small ball like here, and everything you will get changed. So that's the first theme we have. Now let me show you the name of that theme, which I am using now. You can see the name, the Wall Dark. The theme name is Wall Dark. So you guys can search on the theme store and you can download this theme, no problem with it. Now move on to the second one, which is for iOS lover. You can see the name iOS Bose version 11, the theme name. I have applied this, and you can see the navigation button. You can see here the logo of Apple and the arrow sign and the quick switch button, reset button. Everything has changed, and I will use that theme with another wallpaper. Let me show you the wallpapers. I will use that wallpapers for that theme, and if you guys need that wallpaper, I will provide the link in description, no problem on it. Now you can see it's looking very very cool. You can see, and the icons, everything, it's really cool. And the status bar, you can see here everything has changed, and the dialer, it's look like iOS, and navigation button, it's really very interesting here. Hope you guys will like this. So let me show you the setting. You can see that setting, that's really cool. And you will get an animation here. You can see here when you move on to the home page, you will get an animation, and everything, every icon has changed here clearly, no problem on it. Now move on to the third one, and that theme is, you can say, which is Glow. The theme name is Glow. You can see here on the top, and the navigation button is just like the Samsung UI. Let me show you the icons and the colorful packs. Icons is really good for that. Now move on to the setting. You can setting as organized like MIUI. So not so many changes, but it's really good, not bad at all. And icon is like that way. This theme name is Glow, and you can see the widget here on the top, 24 degrees Celsius, it's shown here, and it's really cool. It's looking good. And let me show you the wallpaper of the lock screen. It's really good. You will get here animation. You can see it's animating. And now let me show you the status bar. The status bar looks cool, no problem on it. That's really good. And one bonus theme I want to provide you guys. You can see which name is spider. Let me apply this. This theme has cool icon here. You can see it's totally dark. And the most interesting thing of that theme is that the lock screen. Let me show you that. That's the lock screen. You can see, guys. It's animating, and you will get a finger here. It always animates. So move on to the setting. There is no chance because it's really a very poor megabyte, just like around 2 or 3 megabyte maybe. And the icon is really good here, you can see, guys. And the name is Spider. So hope you guys like that video. If you guys like my videos, then subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss any update. And do support by clicking and smashing the like button. And if you guys love my videos, then it motivates a lot, and I will do more works for you guys. Hope you guys like my videos, and thank you for watching.